The practice of Zazen begins as soon as we enter the meditation hall, or Zendo. There's a strict discipline on how we enter and move around inside the Zendo, although this form may vary slightly from one place to another. To begin, we stand on the threshold and bow to the Buddha before entering with hands together in Gassho. The person who supervises conduct in the Zendo is called the Jiki. The Jiki will allot you a seat. The general rule is to walk in straight lines when in the Zendo. Move over to the side of the room where your seat is and walk down the side of the cushions or chairs, keeping the hands in Gassho. When you arrive at your seat, stand facing the cushion or chair. Make sure you are standing with your toes close to the seat and bow respectfully. Turn around to face the room without showing your back to the Buddha. Now bow in gratitude to the assembly and sit down. When it is time to leave your seat, get up and tidy your cushion and mat. Again, bow to the cushion as before, and then turn to face the room without turning your back to the Buddha, and bow respectfully to the assembly. When leaving the Zendo, or in moving around once having first sat down, instead of the hands together in Gassho, we hold the hands on the midriff. The right hand is against the abdomen, with the left hand placed on top. Upon leaving the Zendo, we turn and bow to the Buddha as we did upon entry. Although such formal behaviour may cause us to feel self-conscious at first, over time it will become natural and flowing. Because the practice of Zazen is so important in Zen practice, the Zendo is treated with great respect. At all times we are mindful of the general tidiness of the Zendo and of the space allotted to us. In this way, we maintain the atmosphere of quiet spaciousness, which helps the community in its practice of Zazen.